Yeah, so in this video I'm going to tell how to install Jenkins in new Amazon Linux 2023. Okay, so it's a little bit not easier, okay, to install the Jenkins of new Amazon Linux 23. So I will tell you which AMI do you want to select. Okay, okay, so you can see the two AMIs over here. One is Amazon Linux 2023 and one is older version. Okay, so I have already running EC2 from out of the new version, so I never do the again. Okay, I have already EC2. You can see the new DAO logo, it's pretty cool. And yeah, I will tell some of the key features of new Amazon Linux 23. So in the older version of Amazon Linux, you could install the required dependency for Jenkins using ypl repository. Okay, so which contains many packages that were not included in the standard Amazon Linux. So however, in the newer version of Amazon Linux 23, ypl are not supported. Okay, then yeah, then we are going to install the Jenkins. So I'm going to do the super user, so sudo su. Okay, I already wrote the commands into my notepad. Okay, so I will explain this. So the first command for install the Amazon Corretto. Okay, it's a division of a Java 11. Okay, so leave it. And second commands for to download the Jenkins repository from the Jenkins. Okay, and third commands to import the RPM package from the. Okay, so the fourth one to install the Jenkins, and fifth one to start the Jenkins, and the sixth one to start the of the Jenkins. Okay, so I'm going to copy all this and paste it over here. Okay, so we don't worry about each and everything about the code, it will automatically run. Okay, so let's check whether the code is running or not, and I will mention the code over this video. Okay, so please check it through that. So the Jenkins will run the port 8080. So port 8080 is a default port number of Jenkins. Okay, yeah, I think it's running. So let's check. I'm copying this IP, public IP, and paste it over here, and 8080. Yeah, you can see the Jenkins perfect. Okay, then bye.